Hi, in this video I'm going to create a sequence using learn. So the first thing we need to do is go into sequence, open sequence node and just click on learn, and we're now in the learn cycle. We operate the points and the signals and we drive the train, and basically the sequence now is learning everything we do. It is also looking at the occupancy sensors. As the train moves, you'll see there the occupancy sensors come on, and now the station one has gone off. We've just set the signal back to normal. We're now setting the colour signals to green for the train to go through. I'll now start slowing down for the signal near the quarry. Now need to operate the crossover and the point. And then the signal. And then we start going again. The controller is set to positive, which means we're going clockwise round. Negative is anti-clockwise. We're now coming to the next set of points and signals. Now starting to leave to go to the station. We now start slowing down to stop at the station. And that is a learn sequence that finished. We now go back to sequence node and end the learn. We now go back to sequence node again and go into form, and that gives us what it's just created. We now need to save this. I've saved it as 00, but by rights I should have saved it as 00-111-111, so I have altered that for later on. And that is a sequence done and finished. So we're now going to run the sequence. I'm doing it as part of put it into a timetable. So we're now opening the timetable. The timetable has three engines: 47200, 68005 and 60078. They each go round twice. 60078, when it's finished, will then park up in the sidings. If you notice, it is told to wait until the first sequence of 60078 is finished. We're now running the timetable. We can now see the sequences start. $60078 is the first one to leave, which means 47200 can't leave yet. $68005 has also started. It hasn't actually started moving. Yes, it's just started moving now. Because it's coming out backwards out to the side, it's going positive as well, because it's coming out clockwise onto the main line, and will then go anti-clockwise negative. 678 will go straight through these points, it won't stop. although on its learn it was told to stop. Just as 47200 won't stop when it doesn't need to. We're now going to go in and watch 47200, which will now have been released. Signals are on. Now because 678 is clear, 47200 will now go straight through these points. The program will actually jump from one portion to the next, so now it's actually waiting for the next occupancy sensor to come on. It will now synchronise back into the program. .68005 is now coming around wanting to go into platform 2, but 60078 is sat in platform 2, so 68005 will have to wait. 60078 is now leaving and 47200 is just coming down. If you look at the track sensors, its signal is set at stop, so it's going to have to stop. When I finished the learn on 47200, I had to run round 3 times, and that is to get the timing for when it jumps through a point, and that's the only thing I've had to do, other than actually change its name to 00-111-111. 68005 can now leave, as can 47200. 60078 is having to wait at the signals before the station because platform 2 isn't clear. Platform 2 is bi-directional, so trains can come in from either direction. Six 68005 will go straight through the station now. As you notice on the diagram, 60078 and 47200 are both stopped waiting for 68005 to clear. Yeah, there's 47200 waiting. There's 68005 going through, but 60078 is now going into platform 2, so 68005 is going to have to stop again. Now 60078, when it gets into the platform, its sequence will end because it's done its 2 cycles. But because of the timetable, it will then load another sequence in, which is 113 to 66. 113 is the start track and 66 is the finish track. So 113 to 113 is actually going round doing one circuit from the station to the station. .47200 is now going into the station and its number of sequences will have finished, so it will just stop there because we didn't tell it to do anything after that.